Hello, guys. Hello, guys. So, welcome to the today's New York session. We'll be talking about all the trades regarding gold, EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, crude. So, let's get started. So here we have the gold here. The New York session will start in 3 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So gold. So we have EURUSD, USDJPY, gold, crude, and this one would be, yeah, we might get some like this one would be where we need to take the trades here, and this one I'll connect to a paper trader, and this is to find the lot size for which I need to take it in the top step account. Okay, it's 50k. I made a loss today in the morning in the New York, sorry, in the London session. Yeah, let's see what's happening. Yeah, so the New York has will start in 2 minutes. It has already given the down here. Okay, let's see here. So what's the narration here? NH4, this was supposed to be OB. Yeah, it has created a break of structure. Yeah, it has created a break of structure here, and it's bullish in the H4 time frame. There is no need to short here, and our drawn liquidity would be to the upside. It has taken all the liquidity from here. The inducement has happened here. Now if we go to the H1, we can see that it has clearly taken the liquidity, created here a break of structure, and still we are in the bullish. So now we go to 30 minutes, which will have more details. So it has been consolidating for some time, and it has taken this low, then high, and then again another high has been made. This we can consider as an order block, but the way the price is coming, yeah, I do not agree with that price, because it's a huge movement. Maybe it will come, and we will mark what are the liquidities available here. This is an equal high. What to say? Yeah, and this is a very strong zone where we can look for buys. Yeah, it's a good zone. We can look for buys, and yeah, that is good. This can be the raw liquidity like we mentioned before, and let's see what's this red color zone which I marked earlier. Yeah, it's too big zone. We don't need to see that. Okay. This has been too much consolidation. It took the here, created an inducement, gave a strong reaction, and what to say? This has done the price a great movement here, and it has taken out. And finally, this was the last inducement which has happened here. Okay, this is the source of the main movement which caused here, and again this also was a strong zone, so we could recommend taking trades in these sections. Okay, now that is wonderful. Yeah, now in the 5 minutes, let's see what it tells the story. Simple. Came here, created a break of structure, ended here, gave a new reaction to the upside. We can try to enter in this zone. This can be a good place to enter, but again, for that we need 1 minute confirmation. We do not take any trade without the 1 minute confirmation. Okay, so this has become an order block here with great FEG, and we could consider this as the zone. But the moment that the way it fell down, that's a very fast movement, and also how it fell down is also relevant. So you can see here that it took the liquidity in the upside, create an inducement. Now here the sellers are in control, and again took this liquidity from here, create a breakout structure to the far side. Here definitely clearly, and this trend line liquidity has been taken by this and also created a breakout structure. So you can see here that we have the sellers in control. So if we want to see the buyers in control, we need to have a minor inducement happening somewhere. And here in this case, there are two scenarios. Always there are two scenarios for an entry. We need this high to get taken and we could enter here. This is the first criteria. This high to be taken and we could enter from here in the 50 or 60% of the movement. And another scenario would be to have a two-leg protocol where the price comes here and it makes a new trend. So this would be the first leg, this would be the second leg, and when the price comes down to here, we could take an entry here by keeping this as the stop loss or this as the stop loss, and we could target high as the target. And always our risk reward would always be 1:2. We do not take anything less than that. If we take that, then it's a mistake from my side. So yeah, because we aim for the 1:2 in an ideal case. So that's that. Yeah. Yeah, we can now look at the what is happening in the Euro USD. Took the high in 4 hour. Let's see what's the story. 4 hour it took this 4 hour high, created a break. We can say this as an inducement, took this inducement. This is also a break of structure from here. 1 hour. It's going giving a strong reaction to the downside. Yeah, it's wonderful. Yeah, created a new low, took it, took this high. This has been an inducement from here, created a break of structure, move around, took the inducement. Now what we want to happen if we want to go for short is that we need the price to take this liquidity, come to this region and provide a lower time confirmation for the entry. That's for the sell side. But now let's also mark where are the liquidity pools here. We have the liquidity here, and you could see that this was the last place. Now this high got respected, got taken care of, and this is a great zone to have an entry here. So yeah, people might enter here. This is a good order block. It can respect here the whole trend. Now we need to see where is our trend. Our trend is in the upside direction. Okay, we do not look to buy, we do not look for any shorts here. The initial thing which I said, that's for you to decide. If you want to go for short, it's a good region. That's it, because it has everything needed. But our whole trend is on the upside, so we don't go against the trend. And you can see here that you see here the amount of time it took to go up versus the amount of time to come down is comparatively much different. So the time for it to go up is like 1-2 candle reached here 1-2-3 candle reached, but here it's coming comparatively slow. And here, yeah, this is a good movement. And how the movement comes down is also relevant, because it just created a FVG here, not anything above. So it was all a consolidation, then it shot down and gave the reaction. So let's see how many FVGs we have. So we have this small FVG in the 15 minutes and a big one. Let's see, 1 hour. Yeah, this is 1 hour. This is whole and FVG. Cool. Anyway, I will update. I'll update my Twitter saying that I am live. So we are having a New York live session. Okay, I think the price touched here and it is getting respected by this FVG. Okay, we have the movement here. Now let's see what we have it in the gold. Okay, I think the price touched here and it is getting respected by. Yep. Again, we are back. Okay, that's happening in here. The gold is still going down. Oopsie. Yeah, we can change it to something else. Yeah, this is the place where we want to find out the lot size. So that's good. Now we can check what's USDJPY is doing. Yeah, in the 4 hour, we are okay trading in the USDJPY. Also took this liquidity, create an inducement, a high. This was what the price was in control. Took another high. H4. Yeah, we have the liquidity. No, we don't need to save any charge. We have the liquidity down here. We can look for what's 15 minutes saying. Took the liquidity. Yeah. Now here it has changed the characters to the bullish side. Okay, and where did it react from? We have this FEG down here. We have this zone down here. Okay. May not be an order block, but still it's a good place to buy, and it created a bullish structure. Wonderful. So what we now expect, so we get the confirmation that we can look for buys in this section. This is a good place to buy. The whole trend was down, took the liquidity up, went down, price reacted here. This is a strong bullish zone, and now what we need to happen is now the price needs to come down, and we need to have, what to say, the reaction as bullish. Well, let me see something. So suppose if I take that, save as blank. Mm-hmm. Let's see what's happening in Euro USD. Euro USD. Yeah. Euro USD can go up, but let's see. It showed the price wants to go up, but here we do not have a confirmation here. If we want to go long, we need this to be taken out. Then this would act as an entry break of structure because this has taken this. So this liquidity has, oh, we need to check whether it has taken this liquidity or not. Okay, that's the most important point. We'll see. This point has not taken the low, and definitely this has not taken. So we are definitely bullish. So if the price wanted to go low, or then definitely it would have taken this. So now we have an entry confirmation here. So this is entry break of structure. So let's see. Yeah, now we are in the entry mode here. We can mark the 5 pip. 5 pip, which means I am risking $400 here, and this one would be our SL to break even, and our target would obviously be 1:2 because here it might react. But for us, the price needs to come down. We need to wait till 1440. I think I'll miss that. Now what about gold? Same region. Came. This is an order block. If your direction is correct, then same thing is happening in both direction. In the gold as well as that's supposed to be crude, dude. It's crude. Now this is gold. Okay, same thing is happening. Now my question is, do I need to go long in the gold? I'm not sure because it has been consolidating. There is an equal low down here, and the movement is so strong that if I take it, then that may be a mistake. So do not want to do that. But here, this is a different story. This we can look into it, and let's mark entry. File lot. I take 408. Not in EU. Let us see whether it will come back or not. What do we say about the USDJPY? It is still here. Now the question is, will it come down or not? The higher time frame took. This has broken. This has broken, and this has taken downwards, and it supports. Yeah, we can look for short. Sorry, we can look for long here. But before we need to go, we need to see the price to come down in these regions where we have the FEG, because we cannot take random trades from somewhere because there is no point down here. This would be the ideal FEG where we can take the entry. Okay, the price is coming down and it's coming fast. Hi Deepthi, yeah, this is live. Yeah, we are waiting for the order to take here at. It is kind of a risky one, but yeah, it's definitely worth the shot. Let's see what happened. Okay, yeah, it's happening here. The price comes, we look to buy. I did not touch it. If when it touches, I'll go for the buy. Let's see. It can go wrong also, but yeah, it's okay. Yeah, for me the order has been placed. Sometimes it will just go fast and make a loss so easily. But irrespective of that, I follow the trade, and yeah, that's it. Stop loss. Yeah, it's a good trade. Yeah, let me update it in my Twitter page. Now, what is the trade number? 362. Trade 362. EU long. Yeah, we have an entry. It's a good trade with the trend, with the confirmation. Yeah, I'm happy with this stuff. So that's that. Now let's see. Yeah, gold is not respecting the. Here, gold also we can take the trade, but I don't see a proper reason to go for long in the trade for gold. Oh, you're from Germany. Cool, cool. Nice name, Deepthi. Again, now we put the alert here saying that EU to break even. So if it is going to, what to say, loss, it will happen like within 3 minutes to 5 minutes, or it can shoot up. The trend is in our side. It's a proper region. In 15 minutes, this is also order block, which has got respected, showing bullish sign. Yeah, definitely. It's a good trade. I would recommend this trade any day. Follows our setup. Everything is fine. Now let's wait and see what happens. Yeah, it's almost touching our 50% mark. Yeah, it can mess up soon. Maybe it came to take this order as the order block. If you draw this, yeah, it's still. I thought it would not come down. Yeah, it could have been a good place to trade. To be honest, if you want to take the entry from here, yeah, then this would be the proper entry, and this would be the stop loss. But nonetheless, they already entered there, and I'm perfectly fine with the entry and the result. Yeah, I don't. Let's see in the gold. Gold, we have a bullish structure, but where does the inducement comes from? Yeah, it's the same question I need to ask with gold also. Euro also, where does the last inducement come from? The 15 minutes inducement has been. Yeah, it has been definitely from here. So it is bullish, but it's far from the inducement. I think I'll lose this trade. For me, 400 out of 400, only $100 more to go, and I'm out of this trade. Not a great setup. I mean, not a good trade, I would say. Like the market is showing, but for the way I handle this trade is really good. I told right within 3 to 5 minutes it will happen. Now I think it's almost certain. There's no point in going. Yeah, god damn it, it's done. I don't know, my SL has been taken care of. It's a loss. Like I said, it's perfectly fine. We make losses in a daily basis, and it has been one of that losses. So now we have one more trade. and I will be taking that definitely in Euro USD or crude oil. Now let's see what's the story in crude. Yeah, story in crude is pretty good. It's been consolidating, create a reaction. Oh yes, cool. It's been consolidating. If it is not get cheated up. Oh yes, man, I love the trade in crude. I can go trade here. It's a 10 lot. How much? I can go for 5. No, I don't. I can go for 3. 3 lots. We go crude 3 lot. Before that, we just check whether we have decided it on a correct basis or not. Yeah, we can go, man. It's okay. It's still a risky trade, but I am happy with it. Buy market. Oh,
Order
yes.
filled.
Stop loss is here. And our target is fine by me. Perfectly fine by me. Like I said, this trade is lost. We just update it. And it just happened so fast. Trade lost. Minus 1%. Perfectly fine. Now we do another trade. 363. Crude oil low. Fine. And this would be the last trade of the day. So whatever the result happens, I'll follow it. And I think I am. I'm expecting a big explosive moment to the upside. Tuk. Reason which we took the trade is it took here, came a reaction. There are too many inducements to the downside. Sorry, in the upside, it took too many inducements. Only issue is that we are trading somewhat in the high side. We have the reaction from here and here. Yeah, 15 minutes. It has given already a reaction, dude. It's perfectly fine. I'm agreeing with this trade also. It's not always that you will, get all the trades correct, but yeah. So in this account, I made today like how much money? Let me see. My 25K account, I made a profit of $500. So I lost 2 trades and I made 1:3 risk reward another trade. So yeah, I'm still up by $500 and it's an evaluation account. Yeah, still for that it's a good day. And for the this one, I made a loss of 350 and I'm expecting to get a win of 600. I think it can go for more, but we are not needy and greedy. We're just simple man with simple risk reward and easy money. Let's see. And in my opinion, this is a very great platform, top step. And I have 3 more trades to take before this reaches the drawdown. I am at still $200 in the upside direction, but since it is end of the day drawdown, yeah, it's a shitty thing, but yeah, they give good accounts for less money, and yeah, it's a great platform. So let's see what happens. So we are at break even now. Yeah, anything can happen. What's happening to the gold? Gold, it's trying to go up. but it's not going up. Yeah, the liquidity here. Yeah, let's see. So for the people who came here, we have a live trade here. So I'll put it right for the information. People who does not know, this is a live trade. It can go up in either way. Okay, it's not. I'm not saying that it will go up for sure. There is no surety in trading. The only thing which we can say is that it can go up, and I think it has a good chance of going up. And I took that trade. That's it. In the 15-minute time stamp, this is not a big deal. It's in the continuation process. So when we touch this part, we are going to CL to break even now. So once it hit that, we are definitely moving it to break even. Okay, let's see now. Do we have any trailing stop loss or something like that? Well, let's see. Yeah, page shows a pretty wonderful screen. Yeah, that is bloody bullshit, man. I got stopped out here and the price is moving up. That is real sad. Yeah, it does. It's been my mistake because I just took the risk according to that, and yeah. Now I think for a 350 $400 risk, I need to calculate on the basis of slippage also. So either I should make my risk as 350 for the market orders and then the 50 as a what's a spread kind of a thing. Yeah, gold, man. Now we can go for gold. But the issue is that we have a setting here. Daily loss. Do nothing. Okay. Yeah, man. Gold gave a moment. But I really want to take the trade in gold. But I cannot take the trade because it's against my wishes. Because I'm not supposed to take the trade here. Yeah, let's go with the crude. And crude is just messing up with me, dude. Crude is just straight going down. You exit it. There's no point in. What the hell, man? What is crude doing? Yeah, I'm making a little bit more risk here.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see if the gold shoots up or not. If it does not, yeah, I'm done, man. because gold is correlating with a big long buy and the other one is not. Sometimes it doesn't matter what you do, it all just messed up. Yeah, I took the liquidity, but where is the liquid? There is no FEG down here, dude. Then what it is? Yeah, this was the last FEG which we have, and it's voila, gone. We'll book at 1:2. $1,000 as profit. We risk a little bit more. Not advisable, but yeah. We'll book at 1:2. $1,000 as profit. We risk a little bit more. Not advisable. Yeah, we have the break even. Dude, we have the break even. Now we are definitely risking $300 to $50 more, because if we put it here, then definitely it's going to mess up. $300. SL to B. Yeah, man, that is real bad. I had this trade, I was correct, and still I lost the trade because I just did not. Man, that is so bullshit. The spread took me out. My bad. I should have taken care. Yeah, we are in a pickle, to be honest. It's going up. This will be just acting as a liquidity. It will be acting as a liquidity. So, yeah, this is really hitting me, man. Yeah, it really hurts now. I cannot definitely take any more trades. I have been mentally compromised. Yeah, this is really painful. I don't know what happened, man. I think it's the. Do we have the spread in this? I don't know. Or is the title trade on? All right. What happened? Man, the height of unluckiness, I would say. Height of it. Easily 1:2. I would have gotten here. Whew. And this is much better. And this is just, yeah. Sometimes the leg is not on your side, and let's see. Because if it touches here, definitely it will touch here. I think it will just cut it through like a cake, and I'll lose the amount. Yeah, the bloody USD gave me 1:2. I'm not in the trade. Oh, beautiful. And here, what do you have to say about this? This is the whole move. And this retracement was not 50, so we can consider this as the whole move. 30 minutes. 1 hour. Do we have enough feature or anything? No. Yeah, you can consider this as a strong zone. And the price came up. Take this zone, take this liquidity, tick, 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 tick. Have a break of structure, have a break of structure. If you really had the guts, you could have taken trade here. Yeah, I would not have taken the trade, definitely here. Okay, it's bouncing back. So all the traders which you have taken here would have marked their stop loss here, and definitely would have got it. Let's see, and let's wait and see what will happen. Yeah, we are waiting for the price to do the magic or the destruction. Let's see, nothing to do. This is the last trade of the day, and it's been how many? Around 1 hour we've been trading, almost 1 hour. Yeah, there is no point in the price to come back down. So yeah, it's a good trade. Happy setup, happy trade. So I'll be away from the screen. So there's no point in looking at and making any more decisions. So yeah. Yeah, welcome back, guys. I think the price has taken all the orders which it needs to be taken down. Yeah, now it can go up and let it be. Give me 1:2 or more because it's been consolidating for a long time. So, how many hours it's been consolidating from here, like morning 11 o'clock? I can expect a 1:3. But the question is, do I have the ability to wait till to get more rewards or not? Mm, it's a crazy one. What is the drawn liquidity on the bullish side? Yeah, definitely it will come hit here. Mm, 64.17. 64.17. Yeah, definitely we can take that. Yeah, we don't need to do that. That is too much. Yeah, we'll reach 64. Man, we'll take this 64.02. Yeah, definitely 8,000. Simple as that. Yeah, that's it. We'll be waiting for either the price to come up or down. Hi guys. I think we can, if the price wants to move, it should have already moved up. We are not risking any more money. Instead, we are just waiting for the price to move up, and that's it, done. So either the price will hit 1000 or it will get hit stop loss. Let's say. Why is this happening? It's plus 30. Okay, cool. Well, let's get minus 10. Yeah, that's it. So that's that. We will wait for the price to move up, and yeah, that's it. Nothing more to do. So have a nice day and see you on the next day for the London stream. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.